Okay, you guys, so here is the room tour of room 308 on deck 9 for Utopia of the Seas. So here we go. I got a cool wristband, y'all. I got a cool wristband. But when you walk in, you'll notice that they have the card already in. So your lights always stay on. You have your bathroom over here. Nice. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Real spacious. This is a lot spacious than the last one, I would say. You have some closet space right over here. And some extra storage down here on the bottom. Of course, you have your king size bed. You also have a wristband for your kids if you're traveling with your kids. Some nice hooks here along the wall under the TV. And also your full-length mirror. Hello. And then over here, so this is normally a couch, but like I said, we're traveling with our son. So they already have the bed made, which is really, really nice. And then, of course, there is more full-length storage here. Really, really nice. And then my husband did buy him the little sand bucket. So cute. So he'll get a kick out of that. And then you have your vanity space. Again, nice little mirror. This would be cool if I did makeup, but your girl don't do makeup, so Aiden will just be eating here, I guess. And then you have more storage space over here. And of course, you have your blow dryer, tissues. You have your breakfast menus in here, mini bar, order. A fridge, or the cooler, as I should say. And then some more empty drawers here. They come outside. Have a nice view of Port Canaveral. Just beautiful, right? I know there's Disney over there, and then there's Carnival on that side. And I can't really see the names, but that's who's here with us today. So that's it. That is room 308 on deck 9 on board Utopia of the Seas.